You know whose obligation was to shut that?
Yeah, mine.
It was yours.
But you know what?
You know who didn't do it? Was you. That's who didn't do it.
Hey, fuck.
That fucking cocksucker's taking videos of them.
Don't fucking do that. Fuck that.
Fucking video shit. Fuck you.
I can't believe you just grabbed that ball. What are you doing, man?
What one time? You dick-faced cocksucking prick. God, I hope I kill you at the end of the night. Good. But shoot you in the face, you deserved it. Were you backed up like I was gonna hit you?
No.
If I wasn't smoky, I'd let you know. I'd fill me in on it.
Did do nothing.
Joey's garage, 4 o'clock in the morning.
Is it 4 already? Happy Easter.
Oh, you fucking prick, man. God, I hate you. Could you imagine? This guy, I don't even lived with him. I fucking hate him. God, I just hate this guy. I don't live with this guy. God, this guy. God, I fucking hate you, Dan. Fuck, I hate this guy. Fucking kill him. Fuck, I'm gonna kill this guy. You got a gun? You got a gun? Give me a gun! I'm gonna shoot this guy in the face.
Oh, yeah, come on, you love me.
I love him.
Okay,
Okay.
I mean, I can see you fucking give me a fucking pop.
It's not me.
Hey, you fell on your own, man. I don't walk on your 2 feet. I got 2 of my own.
Alright, fuck you. I hate you. Okay, record nose. I hate this guy.
Yeah, you kicked my ass.
I hate this guy. Fucking hate him. Hope he dies.
You gonna smoke a cigarette?
Yeah, give him a cigarette.
It's due time for a cigarette. Was that a squeaker fart?
Well, no. This is sound of a bulldog.
Catch his sleeve on fire.
Fucking prick.
Well, good thing we got that out of the way.